Imagine being at the Grand Canyon. You're standing on the rim, and you realize that the river far beneath you has carved through layers upon layers of rock. Each of these layers tells a story. The farther down you look, the further back in time you go. But where you stand is today. It's the here and now. How will today be remembered in the rocks? What kind of geologic layer is being laid down as we speak?
In episode 46 of SparkDialog Podcasts, I talked to Dr. David Grinspoon, an astrobiologist at the Planetary Science Institute and an award-winning author. We talk about the Anthropocene, the proposed geologic time period that's happening right now. From climate change to bonfires on the beach, we talk about how humans will be remembered in the rocks.
You see a lot of transitions where the planet was so changed by life that the rocks themselves are changed.
Each one of the eon boundaries, and there have only been 4 so far, is marked by a complete sort of rewrite of the relationship between life and the planet, a shift in that relationship. And what I think we're seeing now with the Anthropocene potentially is not just a new epoch, a new sort of fluctuation, but maybe a really major transition in the character of the planet, where now cognitive life, or what I call self-aware geological processes, have become part of the way the planet works. And the question is, could that actually be a long-term change in the way the planet works? We're affecting the Earth in all kinds of really dramatic ways. Then that's not really arguable. If you look at the changes in the atmosphere with all the carbon dioxide, not just that, but massive shifts in not just the carbon cycle, but the nitrogen cycle, the sulfur cycle. We're affecting all these things. We've changed the hydrological cycle of the Earth to a huge degree. I mean, there's now 5 times as much water behind dams and in reservoirs as there is left in all the freely flowing rivers on the planet. So we need more evidence that we've entered a new phase of Earth history. Just look at the fact that the planet has started launching little bits of itself off into space. That's not something that's ever happened before, and something that couldn't have happened without the appearance of a certain kind of species on this planet.
Hear my entire discussion with David in the podcast at sparkdialog.com or wherever you listen to your podcasts in episode 46, The Geology of Us, the Anthropocene.